DJI have made some really good products recently. I've owned their Ronin S gimbal and it's been fantastic for me for personal shoots, for client shoots and more. And now we've got the DJI Mavic Mini, which is the first drone I've ever owned. I was a little apprehensive to get a drone before the DJI Mavic Mini came out because at the price point they were at, I didn't think it was particularly worth it for me. For £1,000, I thought I just wouldn't use it. I didn't think drone footage was particularly necessary. But as this was only £360, I thought, why not give it a go and see if I liked it? I'm going to give you my thoughts as someone who is completely new to drone photography and videography, and whether or not this little thing is worth the price.
Tell everybody, everyone we know, we ain't got time for that today. Cause we got somewhere.
So one thing about this little drone and drone photography that I didn't really think about when I was buying it was how much fun it actually is to go out and fly. Not only is this drone really good fun to fly, but I've been really surprised with how good the footage looks. You can record at 24 frames per second at 2.7K or 1080p at 60 frames a second. Pop it into cinematic mode and it flies really slowly and smoothly. The gimbal is fantastic. We've flown this in the wind a few times, and as it's sort of jostling for position in the wind, the gimbal stays so steady. So I've really been impressed with this from a videography perspective. Now, I've probably put about 2 or 3 hours flying this drone. I've been to Canterbury Cathedral, Reculver Towers, and you can see this footage looks really good. So as you can tell, I really like this drone. The footage is amazing and it's really good fun. But there are a few things I think they can improve on. First of which is the connection to the drone. I've found countless times I've been flying it probably 100, 200 meters away and I've completely lost connection. I've lost signal, I can't see where I'm flying it, maybe I can't even see the drone. That is probably because this drone is Wi-Fi only, unlike the more expensive drones which connect via radio signals.
I've actually got no connection to the drone, which is really annoying because I can't actually fly it anywhere. So that's not a good first drone flight because I can't see where it's going.
The great thing is when you do lose connection, which I've been very pleased about, is it has the return to home feature. If you're a beginner drone pilot, you've lost your drone, you've lost connection, it will fly back to the first location you take off from. So the next thing is not particularly a drone problem, it's a James problem, and that's the battery life. So the battery life of this little thing, even in windy conditions, is 20 to 30 minutes, and that is better than a lot of drones out there. But I only bought one battery, which means I have to charge it up after every use. Now you can buy the Fly More combo, which is about £100 more, and it is 100% worth it. You get 3 more batteries, a battery charging case, a drone case, and a few more propellers. And for £100 more and for extra flying time, that is so worth it. And the final thing, and again, I don't think this is a particular problem with the drone, but in windy conditions, it struggles a little bit. Now, obviously, as you're taking something in the air, the wind is going to be stronger anyway. But you can see this, if it's windy, it will start to struggle, it will start to move about. However, really impressed with how the gimbal still stays really still as the drone is sort of jostling for position in the wind. Now, on the app, when this is in wind, it will say, strong wind, please land immediately, which is really cool. But you do have to fly in good conditions to get the best results out of this drone. So there we go. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic Mini is a fantastic beginner drone. For people who are considering buying a drone, who have never flown one before, this is a really good option, and I really love it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you sticking around. If you did like it, give it a like. If you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe. If you've got any questions about this little bad boy, leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time.
We did it! Nice work, bro. We did it. That's a wrap.
Should we set it off in the room?
No.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
It'll be really good fun.